Hi, welcome to the TunesKit. If you also encounter this situation, Face ID does not work, follow this video to see how to solve it. Method 1. Cleaning TrueDepth camera. The Face ID relies on the TrueDepth on the notch above the screen to identify your face, so iPhone face recognition fails if the camera is covered with dust or other things. Method 2. Check for setting errors. In your settings, find the Face ID and passcode option. Enter your passcode, and then you'll see the Face ID options, which allow you to use Face ID for unlocking your screen, making payments, downloading apps, and more. If Face ID isn't working, check if the relevant options are enabled. You can also delete the existing Face ID and set up a new one. Method 3. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery to fix. If the previous two solutions fail, then it could be certain iOS errors to blame. Fortunately, there is a better option: TunesKit iOS system recovery, an iOS system recovery tool. First, connect your iPhone to computer and select iOS system repair. After the computer has detected your phone, press start. There are two modes you can choose. To fix iPhone can't download apps, you should choose standard mode first. It can solve the common iOS issues and repair the iOS system without any data loss. Then, confirm your device info is correct and press download to download the firmware package. After your firmware package has been downloaded, click the repair button and wait for the recovering process finished. As it is very easy to operate, this way, Face ID should work normally. Method 4. Update iOS version. The failure of Face ID may result from small system glitches. If that is the case, an update to the latest version of iOS would solve the problem. Method 5. Factory reset your iPhone. This is the last and least recommended method. Go to Settings General, scroll to the bottom, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Erase all settings. Enter your password and your iPhone will be reset. If the above content is helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.